Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number 9 of Writer's Prompt, or 365 days of self-discovery. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and then you have something fruity, and then you have something like that juicy, fruity, sugary crunch, like how you eat like something sweet and sour, but instead of sour, you get more extra sweetness, but crunchiness. Like, it's like eating, I don't know how to say it. It's like eating those chewy taffy candies and just having your mouth sprinkled with sparkling water that's fruity. It's like the bomb. It's like the best, because it's like having so much, like it's like having a party in your mouth. Like, it's like life. Like, eating those sugar-coated strawberries is like life to me. Like, they taste so sweet. Like, it's like eating chocolate-covered strawberries, but to the next level. Like, it's so sweet. It's like made my teeth so hurt. Like, when I took a bite, my teeth, like, first it was ice cold because it came just out of the freezer, and then it's like the sugar hit it. It was like, I feel like my teeth was rotting in my mouth, but it was like a good rotting feeling. Like, it was so delicious and so good. I was just so happy to make it. Well, yeah, happy to make it with my family and also eat it, because we all enjoyed it. I mean, that's like hands down number one that we're gonna be using for mostly like party tricks or like birthday celebrations or anything like that, or just plain out you want something like sweet and you want to have a snack, or you just want something to do, like you want to like have like a little spice up of your meal of choice, have the dessert with it. That's definitely gonna be one of them like that. that is like the bomb. I don't know what else is something sweet that made my teeth hurt. Oh no, I do. Ice cream cake. The ice cream that my mom made for me for my birthday. It tastes so good. My teeth hurt. Like, I felt like all my teeth was about to fall out there because it was so good. It's sweet and it was ice cream too, because I love ice cream cake. I like, if you guys never knew this about me, which I found out about myself still, like I'm still shocked to this day that I like ice cream cake. I never really thought of myself as an ice cream cake person. I know I'm talking you guys' ear off. I'm sorry about that, but I just get so excited. But ice cream cake is like my new favorite of cakes. Like, it's my favorite ice cream sandwiches and in cake form. Like, them together, like that's like if I had to have that, if I have the choice of my last meal or supper or dessert, I'm gonna definitely say ice cream cake or milkshake with french fries. The perfect combination, because those two are my favorite. Because I really like french fries, but also I like milkshakes. So when I first like did my french fries and milkshake, I was like, at first, like, this is kind of weird. Like, I don't know if these should go together, but I love french fries and love milkshakes. Why not? Because they both going down the same pipe anyways, so why not try it like that? And girl, when I tell you that was like the best thing I ever tasted, I'm literally telling you that was the best thing I ever tasted or ever had the idea of to try it out, because that was like, oh my gosh, that was like heaven. Like, it was so sweet. If you guys haven't tried it, and if you guys like, why would you do that? Don't knock it before you try. So try it yourself. So next time you go and order some milkshake, get some fries with it. Or next time you order fries, order a milkshake and try it. Don't just go ahead and say no, because this is like the year of trying things new and also succeeding, also growing, and also learning about yourself. So before you say no, I don't like it, you're not learning about yourself too while trying new things, like, because you may never know. You never know you like something like that. So try it. I'm telling you, because even like, I know that like I was like for even like for me, when I say about trying something new, like I never said to myself that I'm not an exercise person. Like, even as a kid before, I would like go outside and run or play kickball or climb trees. Yes, I climb trees. You never noticed about that about me, but I would try and climb trees. But I'm like, I'm not gonna hurt myself. So if I'm gonna climb this tree, I'm gonna climb this tree delicately, because I ain't gonna try to hurt myself, but I end up hurting myself either way. Like, you're gonna get scrapes and bruises and all that stuff when you like climb trees and stuff, so, or doing something outside. But at least I was productive, so I can say that much. I was productive, like I was going outside. So now lately me and my mom and my sister have been going on. Me and my mom and sister, well, I'm gonna probably cut this part, but maybe not. Been going on walks and like getting some exercising, getting like cardio in, because I don't know if I should tell you guys this, but y'all guys have been like hearing me talk about myself, and this is a self journey. We've been like, well, for me, the most reason like I exercise more is because when, you know, that time of the month comes through. My mom told me this before, like that if I just get up and start being active, it won't hurt as much, because beforehand, when I had like my time of the month again, my period, I just got ahead of serious. The pains I felt about it, because sometimes some people get cramps, some people get pain, some people get both, some people get even more like bloated and stuff. I get pains in my lower back, like it hurts, like it feels to me. I'll explain the same way I explain to everyone else. It feels like I got hit by a bus in my back. So instead of like feeling those pains and stuff like that, I would have to be exercising more, so I need to be more active. I need to go runs, jogs, exercise, whatever, instead of just sitting down, laying down. So every time before that, now that I will get up and start moving and like doing stuff that I would normally wouldn't do, like I'll be either sitting down or laying down or not moving, and be productive more actively. So now I've been doing that, and I even got scared that I thought my period wasn't coming, because like I haven't had it in like a couple months, and like something's wrong with me, because usually you have yours like from time to time. Mine will be skipped every month, but I have it 1 month, but a couple, like say 4 months later or 5, that I won't get it. I'm like, ugh, something's wrong with me. And for a while, mine's haven't come in like a few months. Like I just got mine, I don't know when it is, I just got mine in May, but a couple months prior to that, I think like in, what was it? I think April, I don't know, but a couple months before I didn't have mine. So we either thought we was going through the list, like it was something's going on, something's wrong with me. Am I been stressing? Has I been like, yeah, because you can miss your periods by stressing. So key note to yourself: don't stress when